Christ's presence brings power. Rafi and Lisa, just like that couple in the village of Cana, you too need Christ and His power, not only on your wedding day, today, tonight, but throughout your life together.
When I laid it down, what would fall in? Spirit soaring.
It was June 2021 when I first met you. At ang una nating pagkikita ay hindi nagbigay sa akin ng kahit na anong palatandaan na ikaw ang babaeng pinaplano ng Diyos para sa akin.
Akala ko wala nang magmamahal sa akin sa paraan na aking pinapangarap. Pero dumating ka at pinagkatiwala ni God sa akin. I trust you, appreciate, cherish, and respect you.
Inaamin ko na noong mga panahong iyon, ang aking buhay ay may kulang at talagang naghahanap ako ng babaeng aking mamahalin at mamahalin din ako. I was impressed by your honesty and thoughtfulness. It was rare for a woman to speak reality of her, but it was you who can talk to it without hesitation. And for me, it is commendable.
Thank you for accepting me for who I am. You love me in love and complete me in ways I never knew possible. Sabi nga sa Proverbs 19:21, many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails.
Salamat ako because ikaw ang naging udad ko.
Isang stroke survivor, pinapangarap ko na may isang babaeng aalis sa umaga at magmamadaling uuwi sa hapon dahil nananabik na magkita kami at magsalo sa mainit at bagong lutong pagkain.
I promise to choose you as my husband every day we wait. I promise to listen to you and learn from you, to share with you my hopes and dreams as we build our lives together.
Spirit soaring, I touch the sky, women knees hit the ground.
Rafi and Lisa, beginning today, you will be sharing the same house, the same room, and the same bed. Adjusting to living together will not be easy. You have come together not just to coexist, but to become one.
Ang araw ay sumisikat sa umaga at lumulubog sa hapon. Tandaan mo at panghawakan. Hanggat ganito ang proseso ng mundo, hanggat may lakas at hininga na natitira sa aking katawan, ang pagmamahal na iniaalay ko sa iyo ay palagi kong gagawin hanggang doon sa pinakasukdulang kayang abutin ng aking makakaya.
Today will be the day.
All rise and cheer for the newest and freshest just got married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Rufino Teresa Hernandez.
Kung malaman mo na ikaw ang pinakamamahal ko, pangalawa kay God. Hanggang sa mga oras na ito, talagang humahanga ako sa di nakarunungan ni God. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil pinili tayo ni God para sa isa't isa.
Today will be the day.
With the help of our God, pagsusumikapan ko na maging mabuting ama sa ating mga anak at maging mabuting asawa sa iyo bilang aking may bahay. Lisa, ikaw ang babaeng itinadhana sa akin ng Diyos. Mahal kita at palagi kitang mamahalin.
This is the day.
For your marriage to work, you will need the power of Christ. Magtulungan kayo na manatili ang presensya ng kapangyarihan ng Diyos sa inyong panibagong
Be
buhay.
the day.
I give you my heart, I give you my love, I give you myself, the good, the bad, and the yet to come. Gusto kong malaman mo na masaya ako at grateful ako dahil alam ko na di na ako mag-iisa. Mahal kita.